Student, it's question number 4, part A from exercise 11B, book D1, page 274. Here's given a square. The given quadrilateral is a square. It's a square, remember. And according to the definition of a square, we know that, for example, I'm here drawing a square just like this one. Then according to the definition of a square, all the four sides are equal in length and must its have a 90 degree. Every angle is of a 90 degree. So it's a given a square. It's mean all the four sides are equal. Remember, and must be these angles. These angles. Look here. These angles are a nine of a 90 degree. These angles of a 90 degree. These angles. And we have to find the value of unknown A and B. So how can we find A and B? Here's the unknown angle A and here's the unknown angle B. Then for this finding of this angle, it will be possible only by checking this triangle. Look here at this triangle. So I'm drawing here again at this portion of the square just like at this one. Look here at this portion like at this one. It's a 90 degree because according to the definition of a square, it's a 90 degree. And these two sides are equal in length. Look here, these two sides are equal in length. Now, it's become a isosceles triangle. It's become a, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. According to the definition of isosceles triangle, when two adjacent sides are equal in length and one angle have a 90, then must be these are the base angle. Look here, these are the base angle and must be the base angle will be equal in length. For example, it's a 90 degree, then it will be a 45 plus 45. Why 45? Because 45 plus 45 will be equal to 90. 90 plus 90 will be equal to 180 degree. And we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So if this is a 90 degree, and according to the definition of isosceles triangle, that these two angles will be equal in length. So the possibility is just only a 45, 45 because the 180 minus 90 will be equal to 90. When you divided 90 into uh, two angles, you will get a 45 and 45. Look here, it's A, it's a D, and it's a C. So on the basis of this triangle, uh, uh, now it's mean that this angle, look here, that angle, that will be equal to 45 and same case is here, a date angle will be equal to 45. Now concentrate on the next triangle. If you concentrate here, my son, look here, I am shading at this one. Concentrate on this triangle, at this one. You concentrate at this triangle, this triangle. Here's one angle is a 45, the other is unknown, and then what will be a date angle? Date angle. Okay, date. It's a, if you concentrate here, it's a straight line. It's mean the angle or the sum of the adjacent angle on a straight line will be equal to 180. So that angle will be equal to 180 minus 82. Look here, I am drawing here angle, a straight line, just like this one. And here it's a line, it's a 82. Then this that angle will be equal to 180 minus 82 degree. which will be equal to, by subtracting, you will get it will be equal to 98 degree. So this means that will be equal to 98 degree. Now we have two values, two angles, unknown and other is unknown. And according to the definition of a triangle, we can easily find this angle a degree will a degree plus 98 degree plus 45 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Will be equal to 180 degree. And by simplification, you will get 180 degree minus from here you will get it will be a 130. It will be a 13 and one will be carry and so 143 degree. When you subtract 180 degree, 143 degree from 180 degree, you will get a square. So it will be equal just only 37. Yes, it will be a 37 degree. So that is the value of A. That's according to the, and here the reason, sum of angle of triangle, sum of angle of triangle. And here also you say it's a that's isosceles triangle. The yes, it's a isosceles according to the definition of isosceles triangle. The base angle will be of equal length, equal degree. And here is a straight line, and you have to find this angle. It will be equal to 180 minus 82 degree. Where you will get it will be a 98 degree. So that is the value, on the basis of this we will find it. Now if again we have to find the value of B. How can we do it? Look here, it's a diagonal. It starts from this point to up at uh, uh, at this point. So it's a diagonal, but it's if you concentrate here, it's not a diagonal because it's sharing a common point at D, but it's not the line, and it's the point B. It should be a, maybe it's any other point. Maybe you say it's F. It's not exactly here, so it's not a diagonal. It's just only a line from D to F. So how can we find a B? Then for this one, if you concentrate here, uh, draw a line up, draw a line just like this one. Look here, draw a line just like this one, and must be this line. These two lines will be a parallel. Will be a parallel. It's a 90 degree. Here is a 90 degree. If this line is a parallel, this one, and remember it's a square, then must be it will make a 90 degree here and 90 degree here. So it's mean up to from this point to this one, from this point, uh, yes, look here, from this point to this point, yes, it will be how much? It will be a 90 degree, 90 degree. But according to the, what will be the value of this portion? If you look here, it's a two lines. These lines are parallel, parallel to each other, parallel. These two lines are parallel because it's a square. So when two parallel lines cut by a transversal line, then angle A and this angle and this angle up to this point, up to this point, it will be alternate angle. So if it's A, then it will be a A. Now A plus 90 will be equal to B because B is the whole angle. B is the whole angle. So A plus 90 will be equal to B. So you can easily find the value of B. B degree will be equal to A degree plus 90 degree. Now put the value of A, which already you have found, which is a 37 degree, and here is a 90 degree. Here is a 90 degree. So that will be equal to, when you add them, you will get a 127. B degree will be equal to 127, and that is the second unknown value. You now you have found it. Thank you.